Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,